So you want a good vegan recipe and you think, oh, it's got to be nutritious. Let's say high protein, fiber, omega-3s, which are essential for our bodies, and it's easy. You like easy. So I thought of this chia blueberry pudding that is to die for. So simple to make. Come on over, let's take a look and see how to put that together. Right here we've got blueberry chia pudding. We're gonna take 2 cups of coconut water, 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, just a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 cup of chia seeds. If you want it a little thicker, add a little bit more chia seeds, but I like it so it's not so thick. Right here we're gonna blend it in a bowl, and then we're gonna cover it and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Here we go. First of all, we have here 2 cups of coconut water. And that adds just enough sweetness without making it heavy. Next, we have our coconut sugar. Next, we're going to put a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to follow it with our 1/2 cup of chia seeds. I like to use a whisk, and I just whisk it all together so it mixes it really, really well. Now that we have them all mixed, we're going to cover it with a saran wrap, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours or more. And that helps so the chia seeds soaks up the coconut water and begins to set. After that, we're gonna take it out and we're gonna stir in 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries. If you wanna use fresh blueberries, that's fine too. Then we're going to cover it and refrigerate it overnight. We're gonna serve it, you can serve it over your breakfast oatmeal or some yogurt. No matter how you do it, it's amazing. So remember, we're going to add the blueberries and we're going to refrigerate overnight. Let's do that now. Just stir in your blueberries. And then we're gonna set this up overnight. I wanted to mention that I do use the coconut sugar in this recipe because it's low glycemic. So even for diabetics, this is a completely acceptable recipe. We're gonna cover this back up. We're gonna place it in the fridge. Overnight, it'll set up and you're gonna have a beautiful breakfast. Now that we've finished making our blueberry chia pudding, it's set overnight, we're gonna take it and set it over yogurt this morning. That's what I've chosen for my breakfast. Let's take a look at what that looks like, putting that together and have a delicious breakfast. First, we're gonna uncover it. And then we're gonna take some yogurt. I make my own homemade yogurt. We're gonna take this beautiful, thick pudding and we're just gonna put it right on top. Even your kids are gonna love this. The whole family will love this. Look at that. That is a beautiful pudding. Let's taste it. How about this, huh? Pudding with a little bit of yogurt. Doesn't that look beautiful? I'm excited. Just the right amount of sweetness and tart yogurt. It's to die for. You're gonna love it. Get busy making it, so easy.